Good evening, children. Today I am discussing linear equations, continued class today. Understanding the nature of pair of linear equations. We know already pair of linear equations can be represented by a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0, a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. The meaning is, I have two equations, let us say 4a plus 2b equal to 6, 2a plus 3b equal to 5. The same equations I may also write, 6 can be carried to left hand side, I can write 2b minus 6 equal to 0 and 2a plus 3b minus 5 equal to 0. Now the coefficients of the first one is a1, here it is b1 and it is c1. That means here in the first equation a1 equal to 4, b1 equal to 2, c1 equal to minus 6. In the second equation a2 equal to 2, b2 equal to 3 and c2 equal to minus 5. By knowing the values or the ratios of a1 by a2 and b1 by b2, you can find out algebraically without actually drawing the graph whether those two lines are intersecting or parallel or coincident. Or to be more clear, just algebraically you can also find whether two lines have single solution or they have infinitely many solution or no solution. So that's what we are going to discuss today in simple way. I have two equations here. 2m plus 3n minus 9 equal to 0, m plus n minus 5 equal to 0. Out of these two equations, in the first equation, the coefficient of m is 2. So that is a1. Coefficient of n is b1 and the constant is minus 9. Similarly, here there is no coefficient in the sense it is 1. a2 is 1, b2 is 1 and c2 is minus 5. So now I know clearly that out of these two equations, the values of a1, a2, b1, b2, c1, c2, etc. Now once I know these, just let me cross check a1 by a2, b1 by b2 and c1 by c2 values. So when I do a1 by a2, I get is 2 by 1 and b1 by b2 became 3 by 1, c1 by c2 became minus 9 by 5. Let me cross check now. a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2 here. So I need not go that side. When a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2, immediately you can say those two lines, they have a single solution and they are consistent lines. Now we shall go for another example. I am just changing here only. Let us change this equation. Instead of this, I will write 2m plus 2n minus 9. Here m plus n minus 5 equal to 0. Now you see the values have got changed. a1 by a2 became 2 by 1. b1 by b2 became again 2 by 1. c1 by c2 became minus 9 by minus 5 or 9 by 5. Now just cross check. What happened here is a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 but not equal to c1 by c2. So then you can go for the third case, that is they become parallel lines, they have no solutions. So if they, in the case a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 equal to c1 by c2, it does mean they have infinitely many solutions and they are coincident lines. The same equation I will take one. Second one I am taking is, let us say 6m plus 6m minus 27 equal to 0. Now I have two equations now. Just cross check. I will get a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 equal to c1 by c2, 1 by 3 everywhere. That means now they are coincident lines. So very easily you can find out whether three lines are coincident So the two lines are coincident, are intersecting, or they are parallel lines. So this is the way to find out whether two lines are consistent or not. So this is the linear equations, how to find algebraically whether they have solutions or not. Okay, thank you.